Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and they sent me this curly wig. It has like a few highlights going through it. They're not really like bright highlights, but it's just lifted a bit. And I kind of like the peekaboo effect. I like that it's not so much, but it's there. I did go ahead and bleach and plug this wig, so that's why it's looking like this. But I'm just gonna show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So we all know the infamous purple box that they sent their products in. The wig came in this little baggie where I can absolutely put my wig back in it when I'm done wearing it. Yeah, so they sent me obviously their information card, shipping and handling, refund, return, all of that information in this card. And then they sent me this little pouch that they're always sending. Y'all know, because I'm always doing a review on Luvmehair, but yeah. A mirror, baby hair comb or edge brush as some of you guys call it, and a little headband to tie like your baby hairs down or to help set your wig. For me, I don't really like using this because it's too small and it doesn't give me enough room to actually tie it properly. I feel like I don't tie it properly or it gets loose whenever I tie it, so I don't really use it, but you get it inside the package. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install this wig. I don't know if I will be doing a style or if I'll just be just installing it regularly. I don't know, so let's just jump into the video.
bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100-round drum, gun a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, use a bitch, cause I ran off with your shit. I'm a real rock blood, any nigga counterfeit. You pull up on the L, push it before you get deal. I bought a brand new drop and then I put me up some drops. Y'all said real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block. Keep your legs closed, cause all I want is talk. I pull up and y'all gon' call the cops. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Let a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100-round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. 2 guns up, I don't give a fuck. I'm a big dog, little nigga, you a fuck. Pull up at your spot, walk up on it, shoot it up. Your bitch, she on the molly, yeah, I gotta boot it up. You said that you was trapping, but I heard that's a lie. Baking soda, cold water, cut the stove on, straight the sides. You can keep skinny bitch, cause I like a fat ass and thighs. So y'all savage, your baby daddy, know not to try. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Let a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100-round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, 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 slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit.
So this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video. The links to the wig will be down in the description box. So if you guys want to purchase this wig, then definitely check it out. Okay, so normally one thing with Love Me Hair, their laces are always on point, like the melting. Like when they give you an HD lace, you actually get an HD lace. Like it is very easy to melt. It's easy to work with. However, I normally have the problem of like the lace not stretching properly or it's not fitting to my head properly. But I did give them a little feedback, you know, like I emailed them and I let them know, sis, I don't know whose head these wigs are gonna fit, but it's not mine, and I'm sure it's not gonna fit a lot of people's hair. So I am very, very happy that they took into consideration the stretchiness of the lace and the size of the lace. Yeah, yeah, I'm glad they took into consideration, like, you know, to make it more fittable. Is that even a word? I don't know. I don't think it is. But yeah, they did what they had to do to make sure the wig was fitting properly. And I'm happy because normally companies don't really listen to you. They just do what they want and no one cares. But I gave them my feedback and they actually took it into consideration. So I'm happy about that. So if you guys want to purchase this wig, definitely check it out. For me, I love the natural curls of this hair. It has absolutely no product in it. No spray, no leave-in conditioner, no nothing. Like, this is how it came. The only thing I did was bleached the knots and that was it. I didn't do no deep conditioning, like none of that. Like, this is the natural state of the wig and I love it. I absolutely love these curls. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.